How to clear browser history on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below, tap on Apps. Inside Apps, search for Safari and then tap onto it. Scroll below. Inside here, you will be able to find an option that says Clear History and Website Data. You can simply tap onto it, and just like that, make sure all history is selected. Now for that, you can simply tap on Clear History, and that's it. Your browsing history is now cleared. Now if that option is grayed out like mine, all you have to do is simply hit back, tap on Screen Time. Inside here, scroll below, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure this button is turned off. Now type in your screen time passcode, and just like that, after that you can head back, tap on Apps again, search for Safari. Once you search for it, simply scroll below, and just like that, you will be able to click onto it now. Simply tap onto it, then simply tap on Clear History. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.